lesson 7.B, either or probabilities. Sometimes when you're doing either or probabilities, there's some numbers that would be included in both, or some items. Non-overlapping means events cannot occur together. To find that probability, that it's the probability of A or B, you add the probability of A plus the probability of B. If they are overlapping, then it's the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Let's look at these Venn diagrams to point that out. Drawing a 4 or a queen. These are non-overlapping. We got 4 out of 52 plus 4 out of 52. You add these two fractions, you're going to get 2 out of 13. Overlapping events is drawing a 5 or a spade. You notice that the 5 of spades is a 5 and it's also a spade, so that is overlapping. There's 4 out of 52 chances that you'll get a 5. There's 13 out of 52 chances that you will get a spade. And we got to subtract that 1 out of 52 chances that you'll get that 5 of spades. You're going to just put these fractions in your calculator, come out with 4 over 13 for your answer. Now let's look at some of these problems. Find the probability of getting a black 4 or a red 7 on one draw from a standard deck of cards. This is non-overlapping. The probability that I would get a black 4 is 2 out of 52. The probability that I'd get a red 7 is 2 out of 52. So that's 4 out of 52, which reduces to 1 out of 13. Number 3, find the probability of picking either a red card or a king from a deck of cards. Notice that all of these say either or. We've got different little rules when it says either or than when we did the first part of this where it was and. So when it's either or, you add. Either or, add. So here we go, number 3. Probability of picking either a red or a king from a deck of cards. Well, that's overlapping because there's some red kings. So this is overlapping. We got to do probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Probability I'm going to get a red is 26 out of 52. Plus probability I'm going to get a king is 4 out of 52. Minus the probability I'm going to get a red king, which is 2 out of 52. Put all that in your calculator. Comes out to be 28 over 52. That will reduce to 7 over 13. Got another answer. Number 5. Getting a multiple of 3, a multiple of 2 or 3 on a roll of 2 dice. So we're looking at our chart that we filled out. To this, the multiples of 2. I'm going to write down all the multiples of 2. That would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12. Are there any that are in both? Yes. What's in both? 6 and 12. So now then, we got an overlapping situation. So we have to count up how many of these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18 of these that are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12s. Out of, all together, there's 36. 18 out of 36 plus, how many of these are 3, 6, 9, and 12s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's plus 12 over 36 minus, how many 6s and 12s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6 out of 36. Final answer, 2 out of 3. Number 7. What's the probability a number less than 5 or a shaded number? Now, is that overlapping? So you got to think, are there any shaded numbers that are less than 6? Yes, there are. All these numbers are less than 6, and I got some of them that are shaded. So, a number less than or a shaded number. It is an overlap situation. How many numbers are less than 6? 5. How many total numbers are there? Or a shaded number. How many shaded numbers are there? 4. How many of these shaded numbers are less than 6? 3 of them. That comes out to be 3 over 4. Final answer. Final. It's 5 eighths plus 4 eighths minus 3 eighths equals 3 fourths.